I will call you back to another video lecture on C programming language. In this lecture, we are going to look at union in C programming. There might be a time you want to store different data types in one memory location. As a beginner, you might get confused, but when you get down into programming, you will know that there's a system that allows you to store different data types in one memory location, and union is what helps you to do that. So now I'm going to make everything clear for you to understand what union is all about. Union helps us to store different data types like integer variables, float variables, string variables, and so on in one memory location. And if you want to do that, you use what is called union tag to do this. And in order to access the members of this union, you're going to use the period to do that. Alright? So, the member access operator is coded as a period between the union variable name and the union members that you wish to access. So let's go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to understand what union is all about. First of all, while there and outside the main function, we'll first of all create a union set. Let's create a union set. Let's say a union set. And so now inside here I'm going to create some variables of integer x is equal to 10, and let's create another one float of y is equal to 2.5 plus semicolon end, and let's say char of a string of arrays, let's say 10 plus semicolon end. So now, go ahead and press semicolon end of this union set. Now that we have created the union set, now we're going to let's go ahead and declare this, right? Say union set of type, union set of type. Alright, so we have stored the integer, the float, and the string, the character, in one memory location of union set. Alright? So, I want this S to be in uppercase. So, union set, and in order for us to print out this, they are a one memory location of type. So, I assign type to this. So, I'm going to use type to print them out. Let me say type. Because I want to access the members of this union of this type, I'm going to use period. So I'm going to put type dot x for the integer variables is equal to, alright, 10. So I can remove this because I've assigned this already up there, so I can do this right here. So let me say type.x is equal to 10. Let me do that right here. For a semicolon, and type dot y for the float is equal to 2.5 for a semicolon at the end, and for a string, stpl cpy, and more same, type dot stl. I'm going to call this to be hello. Alright, so let's put a semicolon at the end. Now, if you want to print out these, remember all these are in one memory location of type. So union set is assigned to all the memory locations and everything are in just type. Here, you see that? Now, want to print this out. Both the integer, the float, and the string variables will print it out for us at once. So I'm going to say printf. I'm going to say printf. And say type dot x. Oh, this is a type dot x. Type dot x is percentage d for the integer variables, and this must be the next line, flip comma, and type dot x. So this is going to print the integer variable of x, and printf, I'm going to say type dot y is percentage f so type dot y for a semicolon at the end, and for the string, printf, say type dot string, that is stl, is percentage s, let's move to the next line, and say type dot stl. So let's press semicolon at the end of this, and we return the 0. Now let's go ahead and run this code, and it's going to print out 10, 2.5, and hello, all in one memory location of type. Let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Wow. How? This is union, and union is in uppercase, so it should be in lowercase. Union set, and much uppercase, so run this code and check it out. All union in lowercase. All my union should be in lowercase, so there is no semicolon at the end of this. So try to put a semicolon at the end of this, change the union to lowercase, and that is all. Alright, so it's coming. So type X is the memory location of type X is this, type Y is this, and type STL is hello. So that is what we have. Okay, so here we can see that the values of the integer and the float members of the union, they got corrupted because the final value assigned to the variable has occupied the memory location, and this is the reason the value of a string member is getting printed very well. Alright, so let's go ahead and close this. So if, for instance, I go ahead and comment the last one, let's say the string variable, I've commented the string variable right now, and I also going to comment the string variable right here. So now the last one, that is the float that has 2.5 as a value, will be printed out very well. And let's check it out. And the integer will not be printed out very well because it's going to get corrupted. All these are in one memory location. Let's check it out. So you can see that type X is still corrupted and type Y is 2.5 just normal. Alright, 2.5 just normal. Now, why is type X corrupted? Because the last variable that is assigned to this memory location is going to be printed out very well for us. But if I go ahead and comment the float variable, you can see that the integer variable will print it out very well. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to comment this again. Check it out. Now, let's go ahead and run this code again and check it out. So you can see the type X is 10. It's not corrupted because nothing again is assigned to this variable of type X. Alright, so unlike in the previous section, we have X, Y, and hello. The first two ones we corrupted and others we printed out well. So let's go ahead and have uncommented all these. And if you print out again, you see that the string variable, which is the last one, will be printed out very well. And that is hello. And others got corrupted. You see that? So go ahead and close this. So this is how to use a union to assign different data types to one memory location. And I believe that is okay for you, and you've learned how to do that. And in the next video lecture, I'm going to show you how to print out this without being corrupted. Alright, so now you've printed out and you can see that some are corrupted. And in the next lecture, we're going to look how to print them out without being corrupted. Alright, and everything is going to work out fine. So if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.